morning, Scots. I'm Ashira.
Welcome back to Scots Weekly and happy Friday. I'm Hannah.
Let's get into the announcements for today.
First, National Honor Society has started having meetings already for this school year. If you have any questions about National Honor Society, stop by 5J.
Second, are you playing any sports this year like wrestling, soccer, or basketball, or interested in the swim team? Stop by the athletics office to get your questions answered. Don't wait because you might miss out on being a part of a team here at Highland.
Third, do you like theater? Do you like to act? Do you like Shakespeare? Do you want to be a part of a competitive team? Then come audition for Highland's ensemble team for the 2024 Peg Polly High School Shakespeare Festival at Bakersfield College. This year's scene is from Two Gentlemen of Verona. Auditions will be held September 4th and 5th after school in the WA from 4 to 5:30 p.m. For more information, please see Mr. Thompson in room 8C.
It's time for a commercial break.
We will be back in a few moments.
Next Thursday, our football team will be playing Kennedy High School, and our theme is Veterans Night. We currently have shirts available for purchase in the finance office for $25 if you would like to participate in honoring our local vets next week.
Welcome back, Scots.
Check out these highlights from last Friday's game against East Bakersfield High School.
What's going on, Scots? My name is Julian Medina, and here's some highlights from the East versus Highland game last week.
And the catch by Johnny Bucker to get the 6 points on the board. And now we have Preston Mendez with the QB sneak down the middle for another 6 points on the board. And now we have Preston Mendez with the bomb down the field to Johnny Bucker for another touchdown. Johnny. And look at here. What a nice celebration. And again, another bomb down the field to Johnny Bucker from Preston Mendez for another touchdown. Austin Hernandez putting these East boys to work, running up the field to score another touchdown for Highland Scots. And here we have an astonishing play from the duo themselves, Preston and Johnny. Just look at an amazing pass that is. And what an excellent celebration from them Scots. And congratulations to Highland for beating their rivals, East High, 48-0.
Highland's JV and varsity football team is going against the Mustangs starting at 5 p.m. at Stockdale.
The final announcement for today is that we are having a 3-day weekend because of Labor Day, so no school next Monday on September 2nd.
And that's it for today.
Thank you for watching.
And always remember to plaid up.